Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to block all transactions on your Chime debit card. If you don't have a Chime account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 when you receive your qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days of opening your new Chime spending account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your phone number to help secure your account. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name, located at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Password and Security. On its lower right side, you will see an option for Chime card transactions. To block your Chime card transactions, toggle to Off. And now your Chime card has been disabled and all transactions are blocked. That's how you block all transactions on your Chime debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.